said no every time. I don't want to help him. I'm not interested in helping.
The night's still young. We'll see.
Not bad.
Still young?
Not bad.
Really? Why do you
Let me
think that?
pause this
Does he
really
have
quick.
milk on?
Have the TV on in the background. Anyway, so what I did, because, you know, I saw Jerry Garcia. I'm just going to call him Jerry Garcia, dude. He can deal with it. He's the other really cool battery dude that has that electric bus. Anyway, instead of just using like the clips or like the what I did is that I wanted even better connection than that. So what I did is I actually put these guys together and I folded them together and I crimped them down, because this is just like, this basically is copper, aluminum or something. It looks like copper when I cut into it, so that's kind of cool. But anyway, I just folded these guys over, right? I took one of these guys like this. Oops. So I took this guy here, okay, and I just took it, look what I'm doing, put it in between here, and then I pinched, right, and I just folded it over, made like a flap. I just used these because I didn't feel like getting my real proper tools. I just crimped them down. That's it. I did that almost all the way across where I could. I cut these a little bit so I could do the same thing and do the fold. And I'm getting really good contact between the two. And right now I'm doing an initial charge. Now these cells have basically at the regular charge for I don't know how long. Like, they've been in the box for almost 2 years. I think I've owned these, maybe even longer now. But I'd say maybe about a little over 2 years. And the thing is that they came out to about 3.5, 3.6, something like that. So not bad. But the thing is, I'm going to go ahead and put these. All right, I'm going to charge them up here. Right, just give them a nice, good initial charge. Yeah, dude, that's nothing on these cells. Oh, shit. Anyway. And at the amperage rate, I think we're just charging at 1.6 amps or something, so it ain't much. And I am doing it on the lithium setting over here, Life PO4. And I'm fine with that. Just to go ahead and give it a good initial charge. It's getting... No, there really isn't. The only temperature that I'm really seeing here is from the temperature from my hand that was on here, actually. That's being transferred into it. So yeah, these are actually doing pretty well. And I'm pretty sure what I really should do is I should just put it at the AGM level, and that'll get to its full 4.2 volt charge, right? So it'll be a little over 16 volts. The whole idea of this right here is that I'm going to make one small pack like this and put it up in the front, instead of purchasing a lead acid battery to go and put up in there. And I'm going to make a nice battery case for it and all that other stuff. This is really just for starting, because like I said, I have reserve batteries in the back. But the thing is, really what I should do, right, is I should upgrade, you know, because usually when I do stuff like that, I always go zero gauge in my cars, like my minivan. Oh yeah, I have no problem starting anything from the rear batteries, because it's like zero gauge all the way back with a positive and a negative. No joke. I'm not even bother using the frame ground, but it is grounded. But anyway, that's how I got this set up. So yeah.